everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Exquisite Beauty MUA and my name is Jen, and today we're going to be doing our July's Boxy Charm. I'm going to try my best to get this up before the end of the month. Today is the 29th, so talk about pushing the limits. It shouldn't be too long because there's only a few products inside, so let's just jump right into it. And the first thing that we get every month is going to be the card that tells us what the theme is for the month, what products are inside, and what they retail for. For this month's theme, it was Au Natural. The first product that I do want to talk about, because I won't be using it on camera, I'll use it tonight once I get back home and I need to take off my makeup, and that is going to be these Cogendo Cleansing Spa Water Wipes. And I was so excited when I saw this. Kathleen Lights raves about this all the time. I have heard they're quite expensive, and I'm so happy that we got this in the Boxy Charm. These contain natural herbal essence using Izumo natural spa water, oil-free and mildly acidic. And there are 10 cloths in here. It says there's no artificial color, fragrance, or petroleum-based mineral oil. And these retail for $17. These convenient cotton cleansing spa water cloths removes waterproof makeup and impurities while nourishing skin with mineral-rich cleansing spa water. And I can't wait to use these tonight. And the next product that I do want to talk about is this Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. And I was also very excited on receiving this one because in the past I have received products from Elemis before and they are absolutely amazing. My skincare has been increasing so much, especially now with Boxy Charm sending you skincare products. The Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask retails for $35. It says to get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for a softer, smoother, more radiant skin. And as you can tell, I am having some breakouts. Well, just the one, this thing hurts like hell, so hopefully this will help it out before I apply my makeup. It says to use this mask twice a week on clean skin. A slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic, and to remove it after 10 minutes with a damp dark cloth. The reason why they say this is because it may stain fabric, so with a nice dark cloth, I guess you won't notice it as much. We will see. I'm going to be applying this on. It does come with a little protective film right on top. Let me bring you in a little bit so you can see. This is good because I can actually show you how my skin looks at the moment. I do have some redness over here. A couple of breakouts on this side over here. Not as bad. Really just this little guy hanging out over here. And I am going to be using this very old Mary Kay foundation brush. I love it because it is very dense. So when I want to apply my masks, this is absolutely perfect. Of course, I wash this all the time. I don't have this just sitting around, guys, so don't worry. And I'm just going to be taking some and applying that onto my brush and just putting this on my skin. I'm going to apply it to this side first and this side last since I don't want to be spreading that around. So let me bring you in a little bit. So I do still have a little bit of redness. Not as bad. Of course, this bad boy is not going to magically disappear, but my skin does look a little bit better. Doesn't feel as smooth. Maybe if we give it a few minutes. So I'm going to do my skincare, my brows, prime and set my eyes, and I will be right back so we can continue with the rest of the products. And also in this month's Boxy Charm, they did send us a little coupon code on here. It's for the Ulta Skin Bar. It's $10 off. It's from July 7th to August 3rd, which is in a few days. And then we do have this on the back of it. It's just basically to visit a Ulta near you for a custom Elemis flash splash facial. Jesus, what a tongue twister. And the next product that I do want to talk about is going to be this one. It's the Luxie Gaea, I think is how you want to say it. And this is a very cute. I love receiving brushes from Luxie. I have a ton at this point that I've received from Boxy Charm. And in this little packet, we do receive 3 brushes. The Luxie 250 Large Eye Blending Brush, the Luxie 246 Precision Crease, and the Luxie 510 Foundation Brush. And I love this because the packaging that they sent us the brushes in is all made from recyclable materials. So I think that's a great way to conserve packaging, because the amount of packaging that gets wasted when companies send PR is absolutely crazy, but any little bit helps. And these are the brushes right here. They look like they have a faux wood handle on them. They're very pretty. And the rose gold and the white brushes, they are so soft. And of course the names are there on the bottom. And the Luxie 3-piece brush set does retail for $30. And the next product that I do want to talk about is going to be this beautiful Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. Let me show you the inside. Comes with a little plastic film, of course. We get a mirror on the inside. We do have 6 colors in here. These first 4 look like shimmery shades. We get 1 matte brown shade and this beautiful turquoise matte color. So the only thing I don't like right off the bat is that I wish we would have gotten a little bit more mattes to play with, but nonetheless, these are absolutely stunning. Those colors are beautiful. Let me swatch them really quickly for you on my arm so that I could show you what they look like. Starting off from left to right, the first color is called Enchantress. The next one is called Queen. This green one is called Star. The next one is called Diva. This one is called Temptress, which it was a little bit patchy, but it's okay. We'll see how it blends out. And then of course that beautiful turquoise color was called Femme Fatale. This one was the one that was the driest, having to swirl around in the pan a little bit more because I didn't think it was going to be as pigmented as the other ones. Okay, so the only thing I want to start off is dipping into a different palette because there are no matte shades. So I'm just going to be going into my Crown Fuego palette. I'm just going to be grabbing this brown color right here just to put all over my lid, and then maybe a little bit of this brown color right here, and then we'll work into the darker one. So I'm just going to be listing the brushes that I will be using up on the corner of the screen, and then we'll be just moving a little bit quicker on this look. so I did do a black winged liner. And next, I kind of don't want to use this to put on my foundation just because I feel like it's really just gonna smear it, but I'm gonna try it anyway. If anything, I can just go back and fix it with a different brush. And I did apply some of the NYX Honey Dew Me primer just so I can kind of hydrate my skin. And I'm just gonna be going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Glow. This is in 209. And I actually don't remember if I mentioned to you guys how much the Butter London eyeshadow palette retailed for, and that was $32, which I'm glad we just got it in the Boxy Charm. And I'm just going to be putting on some concealer under my eyes. This is the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the color Medium Dark 32, just to kind of help out the way my foundation looks. Because if I do leave that foundation on the way it was by itself, it looks a little bit of a hot mess. Now that it's been summertime, my skin has been doing different things. When I do the concealer, it does help it out a lot to kind of even everything out. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be finishing up the rest of my face off camera, and I will be right back so we can finish on the last product that we have in this month's Boxy Charm. Alright guys, so we are almost finished. The last product that I do want to talk about is going to be this one right here. This one is by Luna, and this one is a lip gloss. It is in the color Mars, and let me show you what it looks like on the inside. So this is the lip gloss right there. It's really pretty. It has the stars on the bottom, the blue top. It smells so good. I love smelling the products. And it is just your normal doe right there. And I did apply the Colourpop lippy stick in the color Parker. I love laying this down underneath a lip gloss, and I'm just going to be putting this right on top and see how it looks. That's really pretty. It does give it a nice shine and not sticky at all. Very, very pretty. This kind of reminds me of the lip gloss from Colourpop called Moonchild by Kathleen Lights. I absolutely love it. And the lip gloss by the brand Luna by Luna retails for $18. It says, to prepare for an expertly pigmented lip gloss that delivers high shine with long-lasting color while delivering the look of fuller lips. The non-sticky gloss formula applies on smoothly and won't drip. Definitely true. Definitely not sticky. I absolutely love the way that everything turned out. And just quickly doing the math of all of the products that we used today, the amount that everything retailed for was $105. Again, I only paid $21.99 plus tax. It's an absolute steal. Look at the products that we got, and I really loved everything. There's nothing that I really didn't like except for the Butter London palette. I loved how everything applied, but I just wish that they had put a little bit of more transition shades in the palette. That way it could have been a little bit more user-friendly and for me not to have dipped into a different palette. But otherwise, I love the way everything looked, and I love when I can just grab my finger and apply the eyeshadow just straight onto my eye, no brush or setting spray needed. So yeah guys, that wraps it up for today. I hope that you did enjoy today's video, and if you did, just remember to hit that like button below and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to join us, and remember, always be grateful, always be thankful, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.